Life is like riding a Harley. It's all about the journey, not just the destination. And just like building a strong body, it takes passion, dedication, and hard work. So let's rev up our engine, push ourselves to new limits, and conquer any challenge that comes our way. Because when we combine the power of fitness with the thrill of riding, there's no limit to what we can achieve. So let's ride on and get fit together.
Hey folks, the Harley Fit Rider here. Today I am going to do a little modification, not on my bike, but my wife's bike, the Harley 48. Just going to flip the tag plate to make it vertical versus horizontal to prevent it from sticking out from, to the side or whatever the case may be, which is, can catch on just about anything, your leg or whatever the case may be. So it's going to start doing little modifications to it. She doesn't really like to ride it as much, so probably gonna start making it my own. So we'll see. It's a little shot of it here. You can see it there. Nice little bike. It's nice and shifty. Probably gonna start tricking it out a little bit. I like it, so we'll see. Let's get to it. All right, folks. Once again, we are going to flip this tag plate from horizontal to vertical, and all we're going to do is pop these 4 wing nuts off and pop this nut off and get it going. We're going to just pop this nut off with a 7/16. It's already not super tight already on there. Just kind of pop that off, get it going. Shouldn't take long. Let's remove that little bracket there and pop that off. All right. Go ahead and remove that bracket. On this particular model, you're really not gonna need this plastic bracket anymore because, as you can see, this is designed to kind of slide inside of how it's designed originally. And you can still kind of fit it back under there if you did it, if you wanted to, and kind of screw it down and it won't move, but you actually don't even need it anymore. You can just, kind of, I'm gonna say toss it, but just set it to the side. So I'm not going to use it. I don't need it because once you, flip the plate over and get the wing nuts back on there, or whatever type of, nuts or, bolts, whatever you have to secure the tag back down, it's going to be secure, bottom line. And this is just more of a holder than anything. You really don't need it. So. Just gonna get those other wing nuts out of there. All right, it's gonna fall a little bit. All right, and literally, all we're gonna do is just flip it up. My bracket is a little bent. There was a mishap on this bike some time ago. I won't talk about that. But it wasn't my fault. I was doing some instructing and voila, things happen. So, but it's okay. No one was hurt. Only a little tag plate damage, and I'll replace it eventually. But for now, just wanted to do this little quick mod to show people that it can be done. And it's definitely a better look. It's more aesthetically pleasing. for the to look at the bike, looking on the bike rather, than horizontal. So, and once you kind of get those wing nuts secured there, that's it. It's done. You can put the other. I still have the stock little reflector, reflectors there. I mean, I'm gonna get rid of these. These are cheap and don't really do much. Not really gonna stop anything, or most people are not gonna see these anyway for the most part. But I'll probably just throw them back on there just because I have the other two on there. So just to make sure things are symmetrical, we'll throw those things back on there. So, but for the time being, that is a simple flip from horizontal to vertical of your tag plate on the Harley 48. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.